Have you ever felt that strange tingling in your hands, that slight buzzing that seems to creep up your fingers when you try to hold your coffee mug, or that deep weakness in your legs when you stand up after sitting too long, making you feel like your strength is slowly slipping away each day? If you are nodding right now, you are not alone. Millions of seniors across America quietly live with these strange sensations, thinking it is just part of getting older. But what if I told you that the very structure holding your body together, the one that keeps your joints flexible, your skin smooth, and your nerves protected, is slowly wearing away, and that you can actually rebuild it through something as simple as delicious and as surprising as the right collagen snacks? Yes, collagen, the protein that forms the scaffolding of your skin, muscles, tendons, and even the protective sheath around your nerves. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through 8 collagen-rich snacks that can change the way your body feels. Snacks that can strengthen your legs, reduce that tingling in your hands, and even help your mind feel sharper. But before we begin, I want you to promise me something. If you feel even one sentence here touches you, if you have ever felt that weakness, that numbness, that trembling, I want you to share your story down in the comments. Because your words might help someone else who feels hopeless right now realize they are not alone and that healing is still possible. Now let us talk about collagen, the quiet hero in your body. Collagen is like the steel frame inside a skyscraper, giving it strength, flexibility, and stability. It makes up nearly 30% of all the protein in your body. When you are young, your body produces it easily, keeping your skin firm, your joints pain-free, and your blood vessels strong. But after age 40, collagen production drops dramatically, almost by 1% every single year. By the time you reach your 60s, your body makes only a fraction of what it once did. That is when your knees begin to ache, your grip weakens, and you start noticing that dry, papery skin or that constant pins and needles feeling. These are not random signs of aging. They are your body's cry for more collagen. Let us begin with the first snack, collagen protein bites. These are small, chewy balls made from hydrolyzed collagen peptides blended with oats, almonds, and honey. Hydrolyzed means the collagen has been broken down into smaller amino acids, so your body can absorb it faster. When you eat these, the amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline enter your bloodstream and signal your cells, called fibroblasts, to build new collagen fibers. Over time, this strengthens the connective tissue around your joints and supports the insulation layer around your nerves, easing that tingling in your fingers. Imagine starting your day with something that feels like dessert, but is actually rebuilding the very foundation of your body. The second snack is collagen yogurt parfait. Yogurt is rich in calcium and probiotics, which help your gut absorb protein more effectively. When you mix in a scoop of collagen powder and top it with blueberries and walnuts, you create a synergy that feeds your muscles and your mind. Blueberries provide antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, the same stress that damages nerve cells and leads to that burning sensation in your hands or feet. Walnuts bring omega-3 fatty acids that help your neurons communicate better. This is not just breakfast. It is therapy in a bowl. Number 3, collagen-infused fruit gummies. These are fun, colorful, and taste like childhood. But behind their sweetness is science. Each gummy carries peptides that can restore elasticity in your blood vessels. Think of your arteries like garden hoses. When collagen breaks down, those hoses become stiff, which restricts blood flow to your extremities, causing tingling or coldness in your hands and feet. By restoring elasticity, collagen helps blood flow smoothly again, warming your fingers and toes from the inside out. Next, number 4, collagen nut bars. Packed with almonds, chia seeds, and dark chocolate, these bars are energy boosters that support both your heart and muscles. Chia seeds deliver magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contractions and nerve function. Low magnesium is a common reason for leg cramps and muscle weakness. Almonds provide vitamin E that helps reduce inflammation in nerve endings. Together with collagen, they form a triple shield that strengthens, protects, and repairs your tissues. Now let us move to number 5, collagen bone broth cups. Bone broth is one of nature's purest collagen sources. It contains gelatin which turns into collagen inside your body. When you sip warm bone broth, those amino acids go straight into your joints, rebuilding the cartilage cushions that help you walk without pain. It is like oiling a rusty door hinge. The movement becomes smoother, easier, and pain-free. Many of my patients say their legs feel lighter after drinking bone broth for just a few weeks, and science supports that claim. The glycine and glutamine in broth also calm your nervous system, improving sleep and mental clarity. Snack number 6, collagen smoothie pops. Imagine blending spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of collagen peptides, freezing them into creamy popsicles. They taste like a treat, but they deliver strength straight to your cells. Spinach brings iron, which improves oxygen delivery to your legs, reducing fatigue. Banana provides potassium that prevents muscle weakness. Collagen ties it all together, keeping your muscle fibers strong and resistant to strain. Every bite is a message to your body that healing has begun. Number 7, collagen oat cookies. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that lowers bad cholesterol and supports gut health. When your gut works better, it absorbs nutrients and collagen more efficiently. Add cinnamon and collagen powder to the mix, and you get cookies that support both your heart and your nervous system. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, preventing nerve damage caused by glucose spikes, a major factor behind tingling in hands and feet, especially for seniors with diabetes. And finally, number 8, collagen dark chocolate squares. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao contains flavonoids that increase circulation and improve mood. When combined with collagen, it becomes a powerhouse for your brain and body. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your extremities, reducing numbness and that icy feeling in your hands. Plus, who can say no to chocolate that is good for you? But let us pause for a moment and think about why all this matters. Tingling hands and weak legs are not just symptoms. They are signals from your body that your tissues are starving for structural support. Inside your nerves are tiny protective coatings called myelin sheaths, made largely of protein and fat. When collagen production slows down, these sheaths thin out, and electrical signals from your brain start to leak or misfire. That is what causes the tingling, burning, or numbness you sometimes feel. Similarly, in your legs, collagen helps form the tendons that connect muscles to bones. When those tendons weaken, your stability fades, and your legs tire easily. Restoring collagen is like tightening every bolt in a bridge that has slowly loosened over time. If you have ever felt embarrassed asking for help to stand up or scared to walk long distances because your legs tremble, know that you are not losing your independence. Your body just needs the right building blocks. Collagen is not a miracle drug, but it is the raw material your body has been craving. It gives your tissues the power to heal themselves naturally. I have seen seniors who could barely hold a glass regain strength in their grip after 2 months of adding collagen snacks to their routine. I have watched people who feared climbing stairs move confidently again. It does not happen overnight, but it happens. And it begins with a single choice. The choice to feed your body what it has been missing. And remember, collagen works best when combined with vitamin C, which activates enzymes that link collagen fibers together. So, try pairing your snacks with citrus fruits, kiwi, or bell peppers. Drink enough water because collagen needs hydration to stay flexible. And most importantly, keep moving. Gentle exercises like stretching or walking help your body distribute collagen evenly to the areas that need it most. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any collagen snacks before? Have you noticed less tingling or more strength in your legs? Please share your experience down in the comments, because someone watching this right now might be looking for hope, and your story could be the spark that changes their life. So the next time your hands tremble slightly or your legs feel like they are carrying extra weight, remember that your body is not failing you. It is simply asking for repair. With every collagen bite, with every sip of bone broth, With every smoothie pop, you are rebuilding the invisible framework that holds your beautiful body together. This is not about turning back time. It is about reclaiming vitality, confidence, and freedom in the years ahead. Because aging is not the end of strength. It is the beginning of understanding how to nourish it. And if this message touched you, if you felt even a flicker of recognition or hope while listening, please take a moment to comment below and tell us your story. Let this community become a circle of strength where each voice uplifts another. Because healing is not just about what you eat. It is about knowing you are not alone on this journey. So go ahead, open your pantry, make one of these 8 collagen snacks, and give your body the gift of rebuilding from within. Goodbye, tingling hands. Goodbye, weak legs. It is time to feel strong again, one bite at a time.